Want to master affiliate marketing and increase your profits? Well, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by demystifying affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're a bridge connecting a product or service with potential customers. Every time someone crosses this bridge, that is, makes a purchase through your referral, you earn a commission. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. It's a performance-based business model where you get paid for promoting other people's or companies' products. Now, why should you care about affiliate marketing? Well, let's talk benefits. For businesses, it's a cost-effective way to boost sales and visibility. They only pay when a sale is made, making it a low-risk, high-reward strategy. For individuals like you and me, it's an opportunity to earn passive income. You set up your affiliate links and then sit back as they generate income. You're literally making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But let's not get too carried away. It's important to remember that, like any business, it requires effort and strategy. You need to choose the right products, promote them effectively, and track your success. But don't worry, we're going to cover all of that in this video. Affiliate marketing also offers the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time. You're not tied to a desk or a 9-to-5 schedule. As long as you have internet access, you can work on your affiliate marketing business. This flexibility is a major draw for many people. And let's not forget the potential for exponential income growth. With a traditional job, your earning potential is often capped. But with affiliate marketing, the sky's the limit. The more effort you put in, the more you can earn. It's a business model that truly rewards hard work and innovation. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's dive deeper into how you can make it work for you. Before we move forward, we have a small request. We're here to help you master the art of affiliate marketing, and for that, we need your support. There's a simple way to do that. Start by clicking the like button below this video. It's a small click for you, but a giant leap for us. It helps us reach more people who are interested in learning about affiliate marketing. Next, click subscribe to join our community. It's free, and it ensures you'll never miss any of our content. We're constantly updating our channel with fresh, quality content just for you. Then, leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Your feedback, suggestions, and questions help us create better content tailored to your needs. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for a link to our comprehensive guide ebook on affiliate marketing. It's a goldmine of information. Thank you for your support. Now, back to our topic. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? The first step is choosing the right affiliate program. Embarking on your affiliate marketing journey begins with this crucial decision. A reliable and profitable affiliate program is the cornerstone of your success. But, with a myriad of options out there, how do you make an informed choice? Well, there are a few key aspects to consider. First, look at the commission rate. This is the percentage of the sale price you'll earn when someone purchases the product or service through your affiliate link. Higher commission rates can mean more profit for you, but don't let a high percentage blind you to other important factors. Next, consider the quality of the product or service you'll be promoting. After all, your reputation is on the line. If you promote a subpar product, your audience may lose trust in your recommendations, which could harm your future earning potential. So, ensure the product or service is something that you believe in and that your audience will find valuable. Then, take a look at the reputation of the company. Do they have a history of treating their affiliates well? Are their business practices ethical? You're essentially partnering with this company, so it's important that their values align with yours. Another point to consider is the support offered by the affiliate program. Some companies provide their affiliates with resources like promotional materials and training, which can be incredibly helpful, especially for those new to affiliate marketing. Finally, think about the relevance of the product or service to your audience. The more relevant it is, the more likely your audience is to make a purchase, leading to more commission for you. Remember, choosing the right affiliate program isn't about picking the one with the highest commission rate, but rather, it's about finding a program that aligns with your values, offers a quality product or service, and provides the support you need to succeed. Once you've chosen a program, it's time to start promoting. And that, my friends, is the next step in your journey to mastering affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. Promotion is the key to successful affiliate marketing, but how do you do it effectively? If that's what you're wondering, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into some practical strategies that will help you promote your affiliate links and boost your earnings. Firstly, creating quality content is paramount. Remember that content is king, and it's your ticket to attracting and retaining a loyal audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics, ensure your content is engaging, informative, and most importantly, valuable to your audience. It should seamlessly incorporate your affiliate links in a way that doesn't feel forced or salesy. The second strategy is using search engine optimization, or SEO. This is a powerful tool that can significantly increase the visibility of your content. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, you make it easier for potential customers to find you when they're searching online. Think about what your audience might be searching for, and use those terms naturally within your content. Next, let's talk about the power of social media. With billions of users worldwide, social media platforms offer an enormous potential audience for your affiliate marketing efforts. Share your content on these platforms and engage with your followers. You can even use paid promotions to reach a larger audience. Another effective strategy is building an email list. This is a direct line of communication with your audience, and it's a fantastic way to promote your affiliate links. By offering something valuable in return for their email address, like a free ebook or a discount code, you can grow your list. Then, use regular newsletters to provide valuable content and promote your affiliate products. Remember, the goal is not just to sell, but to build trust and credibility with your audience. If they trust you, they are more likely to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. With these strategies, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and start earning commissions. So, roll up your sleeves, apply these strategies, and watch as your affiliate marketing efforts bear fruit. Finally, it's important to track your success in affiliate marketing. This isn't just about celebrating your wins, it's about understanding what works, what doesn't, and making the necessary adjustments to improve. So, how do you monitor your progress? Well, there are two key metrics you should be paying attention to: clicks and conversions. Clicks refer to the number of times your affiliate links are clicked on, while conversions refer to the number of these clicks that actually result in a sale. Let's start with clicks. The more clicks your affiliate links receive, the higher the potential for sales. However, it's not just about quantity. You want quality clicks. These are clicks from people who are genuinely interested in the product or service you're promoting. To attract quality clicks, ensure your promotional content is targeted and relevant to your audience. Now let's talk about conversions. A high number of clicks is great, but if they're not converting into sales, then there's room for improvement. To improve your conversion rates, you need to understand your audience's needs and wants. What problems are they trying to solve? How does the product or service you're promoting provide a solution? Answer these questions in your promotional content to persuade potential customers to make a purchase. In addition to clicks and conversions, you may also want to track your earnings per click, or EPC. This metric provides an indication of how much you can expect to earn for every click your affiliate link receives. A high EPC means you're doing something right. A low EPC, on the other hand, suggests there's room for improvement. Fortunately, most affiliate programs provide tools to help you track these metrics. Use these tools to your advantage. Analyze your performance regularly and make the necessary adjustments to improve. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it type of business. It requires continuous learning and optimization. By tracking your success, you can continually improve your strategies and increase your profits. So, are you ready to start your journey in affiliate marketing? This is the question we began with, and now, having journeyed through understanding affiliate marketing to tracking your success, the answer should be a resounding yes. We've sailed through the sea of choosing the right affiliate program, understanding the significance of aligning your interests with your chosen program. We've explored the landscape of effective promotional strategies, where creativity and understanding your audience are king and queen. And finally, we've navigated the complex yet essential world of tracking your success, highlighting the importance of analytics in measuring your performance. All these points are stepping stones on your path to mastering affiliate marketing. Each step is crucial and complements the other. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires knowledge, strategy, and persistence. With knowledge, strategy, and persistence, you can master affiliate marketing and increase your profits. Start your journey today.